atmosphere. I am getting ready to go inside of Tuesday morning, and I want to bring you guys along with me where you can shop from the comfort of your home without leaving your house. Okay, let's come along with me, and we asking that you subscribe to this channel. Hit that subscribe button, click on that subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you like to see more videos like this one, and hit that share button, hit the like button, and give me a thumbs up. Okay, let's go inside of Tuesday morning on University Drive. See you in the store. $13. It's not heavy. $49.99. $3 for that pillow. Can't use it. Excellent buy on pillows. That's great. $4.77. Guys, they have a great deal on pillows at Tuesday morning, located here on University Drive near Mid-City, not too far from Ross. Right across the parking lot from Ross. Hey, I should be getting paid for this advertising for them. Guys, I told you that I will let you shop in the comfort of your home without leaving it. So you can shop in the comfort of your home without going out the door. I'm here for you. If you like more videos like these, don't forget to subscribe. Click on that subscribe button. Help me out. I'm off to get 1,000 subscribers, but I believe we together, we can do it. All things are possible. Those are cute. Gathering Place, $29.99. $39.99. $19.99. $39.99. $249. This mirror is on clearance. Regular price $79. It's on sale for $64. Okay guys, I'm getting ready to wrap up this video. Thank you guys for shopping with me without leaving the comfort of your own home. And I'm over here in the dishes. And once again, I'm asking you to subscribe to my channel, Mary Precious Jones, Huntsville. I would appreciate that. I am looking to get 1,000 subscribers. I'm new to this channel. And once again, you can shop with me without leaving the comfort of your home. And if you'd like to see more videos like this one, please click on that notification bell so the next time I go shopping, you will be the first one to know. Okay guys, thank you for hanging with me this long, this far. And if you have hung with me for this long, this far, please type down below, I made it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to comment, let me know. Once again, thank you for hanging with me. Love you guys. Asking that you be encouraged, and I will see you in the future. But just before I leave, I found some pumpkins. Want to show you guys these pumpkins. They got these pumpkins hidden see how much. $12.99. Lights up. $14.99. $12.99. That's cute. Hey guys, if you need some pumpkins, Tuesday morning has a lot of pumpkins. Don't know how long they're going to be here, but as of right now, they seem to have a big selection of pumpkins. Oh, that's cute. That's different, but it's cute. And here's a big pumpkin here. $24.99. We got a set of 2. Okay, this is their home decor harvest items. Hope you guys can use some of this good stuff here I'm showing you. I don't see a price on it. Oh, $12.99. $14.99. $12.99. $14.99. $29.99. Oh, $19.99. $14.99. $12.99. Okay, guys, now seriously, I'm wrapping it up. I got to get out of this store. $49.99. Okay. Thank you for hanging out with me. I enjoyed you guys coming along shopping with me. Until the next time. So long. Bye-bye. I'll see you in the future.